Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, cooled seats, sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.